there, I'd like to share an unboxing of a set of 2 pool filter cartridges. So this one's a little bit different. It's similar to my hot tub one, only mine's a little bit smaller. But if you know your model number, this one is MSPF03. And so it comes as a set of 2 in this example, and you do have that raised button, you know, or tab here, like that's how I pull mine out. And then you do have this little bit of a lip here on the bottom, and it actually is threaded. So not sure if you're actually supposed to screw this in, but I'm going to go ahead and measure this for you because that was helpful for me when I was trying to find one that fit my hot tub. So this is just under 2 or just over 2 inches in diameter across. If you're going on inside, then it is like 1 7/8 on the inside. And like I said, a little over 2 inches on the outside. The circumference of crossed, this is about 7 inches. And this way is about 8 inches. So hopefully that helps. If you're looking for a replacement filter and you're not quite sure what the model number is, that those dimensions should definitely help you. And to look for if yours is threaded, and then also if it's completely sealed at the top. So hopefully this helps.